Hello everybody, in today's episode on Just Cameras, today we are doing a camera unboxing. What? You already know what by the title, but if for some reason you didn't read the title yet, it's the Olympus TG7. So if you like this type of videos, remember to leave a subscribe down below and hit the like button. It shows the YouTube algorithm this video is worthy of showing to others. So without further ado, let's get into the video. We got scissors, and let's cut it open. So let's cut into our box here. And more bubble wrap. Well, we got that secured. Alright, and I see it's not in the original packaging. It was bought used for a good price. That's why it's also the black version. And there it is. I don't know which should come in the original packaging. Hopefully we got a battery in here. Yep, we do got a battery. There's so many locks on this door. Let's see if it works. Oh, looks like we gotta charge it, so let's charge it first. Alright, so let's power up this bad boy. And we got it loaded. We don't got a memory card, so let's put in a memory card. It goes by the battery. Of course, the camera has dual locks on each door. You have a lock to lock the lock and then the lock to open the door. You insert the memory card by the battery. I will be doing a more complete walk through this camera. So if you're interested in that, you could please remember to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any amazing content I make. There we go, we locked it. And now we can take our photos. So it's showing us here 1600 ISO, 15th of a second, f4.9. That's on full auto mode. Will we get a flash? Oh, we got a flash. How do we zoom in on the photos? Okay, well, we got quite a lot blurry photo. Let's try that again. And again blurry. We should have stabilization on here. There, now we got a nice and sharp photo. I don't know what I did there. I just did it in an aperture priority program, not full auto. So I guess I will show you this photo, how it came out. So okay, well, we got the temperature that was inside here recorded. That's quite high. Maybe that's the temperature here. Our height, the pressure in my area. So a lot of interesting information here. I don't know if it marked my location as well, because I think I have that turned off. Okay, and the battery died. It didn't load it too much, so yes. I will do more videos about this camera. If you're interested in that, stay tuned so you don't miss it. But as an extra to this camera, I also bought some extra accessories. So we got here, that's not important, the light guide ring for macro photography. Okay, we got an extra lens cleaning tissue, can come in handy. And we got the silicone jacket for the camera. Even though it is shockproof and drop proof and stuff like that, an extra protection is always something extra. And I didn't know what color it would come. Came in a dark color. It will fit the black-ish. So how do we put it on here? There aren't any holes to put the camera in through. The big hole is stretchable enough for the screen. There we go. So that's more of a safety here in this little jacket. I wonder if the macro ring will go on with this jacket on. So let's give that a try. Again, I bought these from JJC. It's a cheaper alternative to the original parts, and it works just as fine from what I read. So let's see if we can mount this macro. And we have to take something off. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to read the instructions here. Let's see, light guiding, rotate the light guide ring, counterclockwise. Oh, okay, so we have a lens release button. That's, I think, oh, okay, so yes. That stuff inside here doesn't look much water sealed, but since it's rated like this, I guess it is water sealed. So now we can mount the macro light. It fits on even with the silicone cover on it. The silicone cover does cover most of the buttons, just leaves the wheels out, but other than that, all the pressable buttons are covered by the case. Sticks out higher than the screen, so if it would fall flat, it's not going to hit the screen. And let's take a few example shots, macro shots and stuff like that, and see how they come out at the end of this video. So if you want to see more about this camera, please remember to subscribe. It also shows me I make helpful and interesting videos, and hit the like button. It shows the YouTube algorithm that my videos are worthy of showing to others. And stick around for more videos about this Olympus TG7 Tough. I'm not going to be doing testing how much it will last. I'm just going to be doing some photos, how that compares. Well, I guess I'll do some comparisons to the Canon R6 Mark II, how it compares to a tiny camera like that. Can you really find the difference? So, thank you for watching, my friends. Take care and see you in the next episode.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.